Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So did Framer just killed Figma, Relume and Webflow all at once? After its latest update, Framer looks less like a design tool and more like a complete website builder that does everything in one place. So Framer now lets you design, build and publish your websites without using any other tool. You can drag the elements, you can add the animations, connect the real content and hit the publish button and your website still goes live instantly. There is no extra step, there is no exporting from Figma and no switching to the Webflow. That's why so many people says that it is replacing everything. Figma is great for design but doesn't build the websites. Relume helps with templates but still depends on Webflow, and Webflow is powerful but it can feel slow or complex for new creators. Now Framer takes all of that and makes it faster. It's visually like Figma, it is flexible like Webflow, and it is going to give you the templates like Relume all inside one smooth tool. Even the generated code looks clean and ready to use. So yes, Framer might have completely killed those tools, but it is getting very close. So if you are a designer or a creator who wants to go from idea to live the website quickly, the update changes everything. So what do you think about it? Will Framer take over? Let me know that in the comment section below. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more AI and design updates. Thanks for watching.